I just recently bought myself a new respirator mask that I use while I epoxy my tumblers. My last one lasted me 3 years and now it's starting to fall apart. So I got a new one. So here are all the pieces and we're gonna put it together. So it comes like this. I bought this on Amazon and I'm gonna link it in the description below. So this is what it's going to look like. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put this together. So we're gonna open up everything. These are the filters. So they give you a few extra. We're only gonna need 2 to put it together. So you're gonna take this piece here and then you're gonna grab your filter and place it inside. And then you're gonna place the plastic piece over that and snap it together. Then that piece will attach to the mask. So we'll do the same thing on the other side. Then we'll attach them to the mask. So as you can see here, these pieces will match up to these. And you see the marks on the side here? You'll match those up. And then you will twist backwards. And now it's attached. So we're going to do that on both sides. There we go. So it's really hard to adjust the mask on these points here. So what you're going to want to do to tighten it or loosen it is to use this part at the front. This is what it looks like finished and tightened and adjusted. So what you're going to do now is, or once you put it on, you're going to clip it in the back of your neck, just like that. Here's how you put it on. You're going to place it up to your face. Make sure you have a snug fit. Then you're going to wrap that around your head, and that will be tight against your head. Then you're gonna take these 2 straps and clip them behind your neck. Make sure that it's the right size for you. Make sure that it isn't too tight, but it's also tight enough that you're not getting air from anywhere but the respirator mask. And that's how you wear it. Thanks for watching.